Hey, I'm up here in an attic looking at a gas-fired furnace. I looked in the heat exchanger, everything looked fine, not a whole lot of rust. The rollout switch, it's in the proper location. And then as I was about to put the cover back on, I noticed this. A gas furnace typically has two panels, one for the burners and one for the blower motor. The panel for the blower motor is pressurized when in use. The switch is designed to shut off the system and prevent combusted air and carbon monoxide from blowing into living spaces. If you see an interlock switch taped down, it's an unsafe condition and you should call a licensed HVAC technician right away.